Dragon Master.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Berk, and the greatest Dragon Master this world has ever seen.
Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name.
Cordura, choca mi cintura, estamos en altura, mi amor. Estamos en altura, baby, choca mi temperatura, choca mi temperatura. Ay, con las otras navegar, me voy contigo.
Where am I scared? Where am I at? I gotta make it in this life. Whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh.
And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do